Farmer Marshall here. Just wants to do a real quick video with you on how to save a little more money when you're doing your vegetable garden. Now, I did do some seeds for some plants this year, but not for everything. And today I went out to the local big box store and found plants like these, three for $12. Yes, three for $12. So I bought three. And to make it even more economical, I made sure that each plant had 3 different plants in it. Of course, the plants are kind of tight together. You can see how they are up in there. They're kind of tight together, which always concerns me some, because you don't really want to destroy the roots. So, this is what I do. Prince and Bear. Even when they're not in the video, they're in the video. So, this is what I do. I brush a lot of the dirt away. This is not going to hurt the plant at all. Not really going to hurt the roots. I brush a lot of the dirt away. And then I shake. Probably going to get some extra minutes on my Fitbit here, or extra steps because I was shaking. But you just shake it. The plant's not being hurt at all. Just shake it. Shake, rub your fingers against it. Kind of help the dirt loosen up some more. Keep shaking. Get a closer look at the roots. See how they're separated a little bit up there, but not nearly enough. So, you keep shaking. Shaking and brushing and shaking and brushing. And as you can see, as more dirt comes off, you're seeing more of the root. And you keep shaking, brushing. And this might take, well, almost as long as this video is going to be, so we'll see. Might take a few minutes. But as you shake and brush, more and more of the dirt comes off. And the dirt is really what's binding the roots together. And now, I don't have much dirt up there at all. So, keep shaking. Can you see how that one's starting to separate on its own? So is this another one over here? In fact, they're all starting to separate. And look at the plants. The plants still look great. So, I think I kind of want to get this one away from the rest. So I keep shaking. Not pulling, not tearing. Now they're shaking. See how they're coming apart? I could just pull right there. But, hey, look at that. Good root system. Didn't tear. So we just got these two together. And it's not unusual for one plant to end up having more roots, because one of the plants is probably a little more dominant as far as its root system. At this point, you could just tear or pull. I see a little spot of dirt there that I could maybe brush off a little more dirt, because it seemed like that spot of dirt there is binding it. So, shake, pull, And hey, at that point, I'm just going to pull. That's a good root system. My old way of doing this was just grab it and just rip it apart, and I tear up a lot of the root. This way here, 3 great looking plants with still a good root system. Took a little longer, but that's how I do with my plants. I got 9 plants for $12 instead of 3 plants for $12. Save some money in your garden. That's one of the reasons why we're gardening anyway. We're trying to save a little money, but we're also trying to grow good food. So give this a try. Be patient. You might lose a little bit of root, but not much. Not much root at all. A little bit here. But considering how much root is still there, it's worth a little bit of time and effort it takes to do that. So anyway, good luck with your garden, and what I always say, let's go out there and get a little dirty.